Hey race team, mini bike season is here and GoPowerSports is bringing the heat with 4 must-attend events this year. Whether you're here to flex a build, line up for a drag one, trade parts, or push yourself in an endurance race, we've got something for you, your crew, and the whole family. First up, we have Pull Start Picnic, Saturday, April 11th in Rockwood Go-Kart and Mini Golf. Bring the family, bring the dog, bring your wildest build. Show off your ride, vote for fan favorites. Hit the go-kart track, play mini golf, and enjoy some food trucks. And just hang out with the mini bike community. It's chill, it's fun, it's the perfect way to kick off the season. The very next day, it's time to race. GPS 660 at Yello Belly in Grand Prairie. 660 feet, full throttle, drag racing with classes for every skill level. And yes, big boys, this is your moment. The big boy class is officially here. Want to race? Sign up on race day. Next up, we have the Pate swap meet from April 23rd to the 25th at the Texas Motor Speedway. Come find us at the GoPowerSports booth, say what's up, meet cards and cameras, and grab some merch. Not into merch? No worries. Pate is packed with rare parts, accessories, collectibles, and pure automotive gold. If you love machines, you need to be here. And to close out the year, the Ultimate Challenge, Saturday, November 7th, GPS 180 at the GPS Ranch in Grayford, Texas. A true test of rider and machine. 180 minutes, solo or team, across 200 acres of brutal, beautiful terrains where strategy, stamina, and speed wins the day. Got a kid who rips? We've got a junior race for ages 15 and under. Most laps in 60 minutes takes it. Think they got what it takes? Sign them up. Not racing, that's fine too. Spectators are free. Trust us, you do not want to miss this. For more details, follow us on social media and check out our website at pullstartpicnic.com, GPS 660 race, and GPS 180 race. Don't be shy. Come say hi. We hope to see you there.